Thank you for joining me for a quick demonstration of how TimeZest is automating ticket scheduling within ConnectWise Manage. All right, so let's jump in. We've got a ticket here from Erica Forrest. She's having a challenge starting her PC for the day. So we've pre-processed this ticket. You can see here it's on a reactive support board. We need to schedule this ticket, and we've got an incident and subtype on here. All right, so now what we can do is get into the process of next steps with scheduling. And this is where you get into ticket ping pong on a regular basis. And that is, whether it be voicemail ping pong or emails back and forth, we're dealing with trying to find a time that works for the client and works for us. And whether you're having techs schedule themselves individually or you're having a dispatcher schedule your team of techs, this can work in both cases. So in this case, we're going to do it where we need to schedule Pat. So I'm the dispatcher. I'm scheduling Pat Jones on this ticket. Got an appointment type here of phone call. Let's get on the phone, speak with Erica, and see if we can resolve this PC problem. Once you click schedule, TimeZest is taken over and will do the rest. We have sent an email out to the end client to be able to pick a time with a hyperlink. And so let's pause before we go in and take a look at that email and take a look at this ticket. So if you look in at the refreshed version of this ticket, you're going to see here that we have changed the status on the ticket, right? So a big process step for us is being aware that you have the need to categorize these tickets based upon status, and so we can change the status when events happen within TimeZest. Another thing that we have done is if you look down here below and look at internal notes, you can see just a little bit of an audit log of what we've done, okay? All right, so now at this point, let's jump over and take a look at the ticket. So this is the email with regards to this particular ticket, and you can see here that Erica's received this email to pick a time. She selects that button, and she can pick any time from today by default, or she can pick a different day. We also resolve down to the time zone picked up by the browser. So let's pick noon today and provide a cell phone number or any number that you may want to select. And this number can also be updated into your ConnectWise, whether it be into the service ticket or all the way back into the contact. That's an option you can select in TimeZest. So let's go back and let's look at Erica's inbox now. And what you're going to see here in her inbox is that she has received an RSVP to be able to put this particular time that she selected into her calendar. All right? Now, let's jump back to the service ticket. And from the service ticket, you can see some changes that have happened once we refresh it. All right. First thing to note, we have changed the status yet again because the end client has taken action. We realize that this ticket has now been scheduled. We ought to, behind the scenes, change the status of the ticket so that this gets updated on your service board. All right. The other thing that we've done is we've scheduled the resource. Right. So the resource is scheduled here. And we've also placed them on here as a ticket owner, all right? The additional thing that we've done is we've added a little bit more detail into the audit log. All right, so that completes the process of scheduling with us. If you'd like to learn more, please jump on TimeZest.com to sign up for a demo and go into some other use cases such as team scheduling, the ability to book multiple resources on a particular ticket at any given time, or any other of the features that we have, such as rescheduling and so forth. It was great to be able to chat with you. Looking forward to seeing you later on one of our demos. Take care.